it's Rob here, and I'm going to be quick because this flipping box weighs a ton. Welcome to an unboxing of this, the Tamiya Super Clod Buster. Got Mark on the camera.
Hello!
And I'm going to have to put it down and we're going to have to whip it out.
Whip it out, Rob, on the
it's getting
table.
a bit too heavy, mate.
Oh, he's losing it.
I'm dropping it.
It's going.
No!
Oh no! And off comes the lid. Come on,
Eventually,
Rob. Pull it off, son. Pull it harder. Come on. That's it. Needed a good tug, didn't it, mate?
Certainly did, dude.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Now you've tugged the top off.
Yep. Oh yes, forgot to mention.
What?
Already taken the plastic bags out of most
All
of
right.
these.
Should we just throw it all on the table then, Rob?
Yeah, I think we should, yeah.
Yeah, so there you go. It's
And
unboxed as far as I'm concerned.
That's it, yeah.
The lid's off it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on, let's just tip it on the table then, and then
Yeah.
we'll go through all the bits for your lovely fans.
Here we are, chipped it all out, and even the tyres stacked themselves up.
Mate,
Woo!
you're not tricking us, though, Rob. You didn't.
No,
You're honest. Really, they just fell out like that.
picked the box up, tipped it out.
Bloody, that's
This
amazing. That
was
is.
job done.
Well, yeah. Look at all that stuff. I can't get it all in shot, Rob.
No, I
I've got
know.
to pan round and around and around. Are you going to do the normal
bit.
Rob anal bit and start on the left?
Yeah.
Yeah,
start
you
on the
can't. You
left.
can't help it. You got to be. He's left to right. This guy is, guys.
am.
I don't know why.
Well, I say we're right, left to right.
We digress, Rob.
We do,
These
yes.
people want to
Shut
know
up.
what they get in the kit. Go on, then.
Right,
Show
well, it's going to be fairly quick.
Go on
So,
then.
we've got loads of chromey bits,
them. Chrome,
more chromey bits.
chromey wheels.
Jesus, how big are those
It's
tyres?
the widest tyre.
Yeah.
You can't talk. You can't.
No, that's a wheel.
It's a wheel.
You that can't. These are the tyres,
No,
mate.
stop
Look at
wobbling
that
them. I can't get them in shot. Oh,
Lots of plastic bits. Plastic, blue plastic, black plastic, more black plastic.
you're going too fast for me, Rob.
I know, I'm trying to get the speed up to get to the good bits.
Okay, where's the good bits
More
then?
black plastic, creamy plastic,
Gearies.
yeah, gearies, springies, metal bits,
Springy.
yucky, plastic bushings, but I can't chuck them in the bin because there's some lovely metal bits.
Oh dear.
Metal bits A, B, and C. They did actually,
Massive.
or even actually, supply us with some ball bearings, mate. But just the 4.
Not tons of them. That's a
No.
bit rubbish, isn't it?
So, our good friend, Uncle Bob's RC, has
Ooh.
kindly sent us these.
There he is. Uncle Bob's, I see. Thanks, Bob.
Thank you very much, sir, yes. And that's that. And we had 2 bags of metal bits.
2 bags.
More lovely metal bits.
What like metal do you?
Yeah. And lots of metal brackets
Brackety
and
bits.
thingy doories. And I think they go on there, mate. I just thought.
Oh.
To hold the ball joints.
Hold the ball joints holders.
So that's that.
Ball holders, everyone needs them.
And then even more metally bits, drive
Whoa.
things, and apparently plasticine pinion gears.
Oh, yeah, been told about that and we've been warned.
Yep.
Mr. Alfie himself warned me about those being
And
a
then,
bit cheesy.
for me, the piece de resistance is lovely brassy bits.
We like brass even
I
better,
do
don't we?
love brassy
It's
bits.
a shiny brass.
And look at the size of them balls, mate.
Oh, God, big balls, dude.
Yep.
Wow.
And sort of last but not least, even motors with big long leads on.
Oh.
2 of them.
Wibbly wobbly leads.
1 for each axle. And then also this Hobby Wing dual motor twin 880 ESC.
I'm going to need that. It says in the instruction, doesn't it, that this doesn't come with an ESC.
It
Well, it does. Thank goodness, because that'd be a few quid, I reckon, wouldn't
Yes, I reckon so, yeah.
it? Yeah, we just need to borrow a programming card from Bob in America.
That's it.
I don't know how we're going to do that.
One, Bob? Only joking.
He's told me it's set up for lipo, Rob. What are you going to do?
Yeah.
I'm going to cry.
Me, I'm just going to plug me NIM in and see if it works.
Oh, yeah, probably work for a bit.
Yeah, so I think that's about nearly it. We've got a manual.
Oi! Oi!
What's that?
You forgot to show them the body and everything.
Oh, nobody wants to see the body.
They do, I want to see it. And the
Well,
chassis.
We've got a rather dark windscreen.
Nice.
Plastic bits for the rear.
Tailgate.
Yeah. And spotlights.
Spotlights, them the ones.
And then this is the body, which we've been told is rather brittle.
Crackable, I've heard. Crackable.
Yeah.
It's very
So
pretty.
It is. So
We've been talking about getting a Lexan one for bashing, haven't we, Rob?
we have, yeah.
Might
see
do that.
what we can do, or
Save one for best.
or have a look at one of our other cars just to see if we can slap something on.
Yep, sounds good to me.
So that's that. And then we've got the chassis.
It's a wibbly wobbly chassis, I tried it.
It is quite wibbly wobbly.
Wibbly wobbly.
So there are some strengthening struts, apparently, but oops, can you see that?
They're a bit flimsy, are
Just
they?
a bit flimsy.
Bit flimsy, so maybe we could do some strengthening, mate. Some,
I think.
I don't know, I'm going to have to take some advice
I
from
think
some
I'm
guys out there.
I think I'm going to, yes.
I think Uncle Bob can help because he's had like millions
Yes.
of clods, you know. He's a clod master. Is he a clod master? Is that a word?
It is now, mate.
Yeah.
And yeah, greasy bits. Oh, two lots of greasy bits.
And
is it?
strappy bits are in there.
And strappy bits, and even another metal bitty for some bits that we can all find out about. So that's that. Manual.
You like a manuals, don't you?
We won't linger on this. It's the same old Tamiya quality, and
Tells you how to stick it together.
yeah, it looks like it's dual steering.
No, a couple of people have asked about that, haven't they? Pete was saying
Yeah,
it's not an
somebody was
option. It's not an
asking-
option, is
no,
it?
I didn't think it was, but I wasn't sure.
No, it's not, mate. You've got to put it on.
Yeah, I think it'd be difficult to.
Well, your back end will be flapping about if you
well,
don't put it on, mate.
It would, yeah.
You don't
but-
want your back end flapping about, dude.
No, I don't.
That's just don't want to bear thinking about that.
No. And then we've got the decals.
Stickers, I call them, Rob. I know
I know, but
decals.
I'm posh.
Bullshit.
They feel quite thick.
Oh, thick one.
Sheet.
Let's have a feel of your sheet. This is this, like Andrex.
Yeah. And then on the other side, there's some masks.
Masking, and it's not window mask because you've already got
Yeah.
a window separate, haven't you?
Yeah, so it's presumably dual colour.
Oh, for
Looking
masking
at-
off body, isn't
Aye,
it?
looking at the box art,
Oh,
I thought these big stickers were actually gold on the background.
right.
But I think you have to spray that bit gold
Okay.
and the other bit the blue.
I bet you don't do that, do you, Rob?
No, I'm not going
bet
that
you're
way.
not
I'm
gonna
not
do that.
saying which way I'm going, but it is actually going to
To
be
the
a
left, I've
single
heard.
colour. It is actually a single colour.
Right. He's going to go single colour, guys.
Yeah.
Have you heard that? And
Wibbly wobbly.
I was upset when because I
You
couldn't
were.
find a wibbly
I
wobbly.
know, first time ever, it was in the sticker.
It was in the
bag.
sticker bag, yeah. I was upset, and then I'm happy again now. I can see that wobbling.
That's it.
Lovely.
So, I think, dude, that's about it.
I think we showed all the bits, haven't we?
We have.
There you go, guys.
I've got a big whopping 25k servo
Oh, I've heard that and all.
for
Yeah.
half an hour. So, one out now. I hope you enjoyed watching and look forward to seeing you for probably not a build series on this one because this isn't a beginner's guide. So I think what I'll do is video bits of it that I think might be either interesting or quite tricky.
I think I'm going to do the same, dude.
So
Yeah. Just slap it together.
that's it.
That's it.
So we may end up with the similar videos or we may end up with completely different ones.
Whatever, mate. I'll still
That's
watch
it.
yours anyway.
Yeah, same here. So, look forward to seeing you on that and other ones. Thanks for watching. Bye.
See ya. Get it rolling, son. It's rolling. If you can tilt the box forwards or backwards. Backwards. That's it, because it's reflecting the lights.
Right.
That's it, I've got no shine there.
Cool.
It's reflected on your face though, dude. You got a shiny face, Rob.
Oh no, not a shiny
You
face.
got a very shiny face, mate.
Right.
Right then.